Hi, I'm Peter Dirun, your emotional management coach. I'm doing a series on stress, and in my previous video, I've already mentioned that stress is actually a normal body response to potential threat or something that you are experiencing that is difficult or dangerous in your life. And we have many natural body responses to many things. For example, when you are hot, your body will naturally perspire and you will be tempted or moved to find something that will cool you down. And when you are cold, you will naturally shiver. Shivering is actually a natural body response towards cold to actually warm yourself up. Or when you have a cut, for example, blood comes out. And what we don't realize is when you have a cut and when there's blood, what's happening is white blood cells are being provided to that area so that it can attack the bacteria or germs that are coming into your body through that wound. So our body is an amazing thing. It works to protect us. It works to keep us safe. You know, when we are cold, it does certain things. When we are hot, it does certain things. When we are injured, it does certain things. And when we are in stress, it also does certain things. And many a times we don't realize that the things that are happening to us is actually our normal, natural, healthy response to a threat or a danger that we are experiencing or we anticipate we will experience. Okay, when we are in the state of stress, actually three things happens to our body. The first, our rest and digest response is inhibited. In other words, we are not able to be in a state of rest and calm. We lose our appetite. We are actually now tense. We're actually now tense, and there's no desire to eat because we are waiting for the danger to appear. We are preparing ourselves for whatever that is going to happen next. And for this, we also will have a surge of adrenaline and cortisol, hormones in our body that will make us alert, make us aroused, make us ready to do something. And what's the do something? Usually these two major possibilities. One, to fight. Yeah? All this happens so our body is ready to fight the danger, to overcome the difficulty. Or the other one is to flight or to run away from the danger or the difficulty because we anticipate that it's too difficult, we are not prepared and we're not ready to overcome it at the moment. So we are ready to escape, we are ready to run away from the potential danger or the difficulty that we are presently experiencing. So our body is actually amazing. When we are in a state of stress, it knows that we are now facing danger or anticipating danger. It makes us all tensed up and ready. We have no desire to eat and rest and relax. Instead, our body is full of adrenaline and cortisol, and we are ready either to fight the danger that is coming our way or to run away from it. So when you are in the state of stress, when you are experiencing stress, your body is actually preparing yourself to protect you. Your body is all geared up to do what is necessary to protect you from what you perceive as a possible threat or what you believe is a threat that is happening presently to you. And in this state of stress, your body is now helping you to get ready to react in a way where you will survive, where you may even overcome the danger. It will prepare you to deal with whatever difficulty is experience or is anticipated will be experienced. And lastly, stress will also help you to learn from the situation so that you can best respond. So I like stress actually. Stress is a wonderful, natural, normal response of your body where it prepares you to overcome danger, overcome difficulties. In other words, to help you survive and to be a success. Hi, Peter here. Thanks for watching my video. Now remember, please press the subscribe button because I want you to enjoy all the other videos that I'm preparing for you. Also, press the like button. At least I know you like the video. And very important is if you could turn on the notification. Now, if you do that, every time I upload a new video, you will know about it and you can enjoy another good video from me. Also, I would love if you write a comment. I like to interact with you. I like to know what you think. So say something in the comment section. Lastly, if you like to chat with me, I always give a free Zoom session for anyone who would like to chat with me to get some information or to help them out initially. So looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for pressing that subscribe button.